What is a mineral? Think first. I shouldn't see any pencils. I should only hear silent thinking. What is a mineral? 30 more seconds. All right, go ahead and share with your partners what you think a mineral is. All right, 3, 2, 1. Back to me. All right. So who's ready to share the conversation to have with their partner about what a mineral is? Okay, I want to hear different people speaking, please. Emmanuel.
A mineral is something like special that's colorful or has like weird things inside of it.
Okay, something special, colorful, and it has weird or strange things inside of it. Good, Christian.
A mineral is a kind of rock that could not just be rock, but it could also be called a crystal, diamond, emerald, or any other object.
A kind of a rock. Good, I like that. Janet.
I think that a mineral is different types of rocks, like it formed together and create different types of.
Okay, so different types of rocks that form together to make newer types of rocks. Good. Jonathan.
I think the mineral is a type of rock that is smooth and has like little pieces of gold in it.
Okay, it might have little pieces of gold in it, and it's a type of rock. Good. Andrea. Okay, it's a type of rock that can be different colors, shapes, and sizes. Good. Anyone else that would like to share? Christian.
Another thing in mineral is that it could take on many shapes and colors.
Okay, it may take on many shapes and colors. All right, let's see. Lucia, I want to hear something from you. What do you think it is? What does it look like? What do you think it has? What do you think it has? Come on, it's right there. You can see it. That's what the pictures are there for, to help you. It has colors inside. Good. All right, let's go ahead and move on. We'll study the picture about 30 to 40 seconds. What do you see? Okay, start thinking about it. What does it look like? What does it reflect? Have you seen one before in person? Have you never seen one before? Is it the first time you've seen one? Do you have one? All right, go ahead and share with your partner what you see. back to me. All right, who wants to share the conversation they have with their partner? You think what? A gem that's been found underground. Good. Emmanuel, you have something to say?
One thing I could see in that picture is like if it has like glowing, something glowing inside the rock.
Okay, something glowing inside the rock. Daniel. And then Angel.
It kind of looks like
Stained. What kind of glass, sorry?
stain.
Stained glass. Good. Angel.
Mineral is something that you would find in a cave.
Find in a cave. Good. Yeah, like miners. Fatima? No? Christian?
When I see the picture, it is mineral that looks like a diamond, and not just taking on a diamond form, but also taking on a blue.
Okay. It takes on a new color other than a diamond. It takes on a diamond form with new colors depending on the light. Giovanni?
I think that has a mineral in it that you could see through it.
You can see through it, so this is the type of mineral you can see through it. Good. A glass, you can see through it. Good. Okay, anyone else before moving on to the next one? All right. All right, luster. Take a look at this one. I'm gonna go ahead and let you view it for about 30 to 40 seconds. Okay? Study it. What does it look like? What does it have? What do you think it's been through? Okay, share with your partner. Okay. All right, 3, 2, 1, back to me. Okay, who wants to share out anything about this picture? What does it look like? What do you think it reminds you of? Daniel. Looks like a rock formed in a picture. Jonathan.
I think it's a little piece of rock that gold, they just probably using glue on.
Okay, a tiny piece of gold that looks zoomed in. Good. Angel.
I think it's been through hurricane.
It's been through hurricanes. It's probably been through a lot. I mean, look at it. It looks like it's been beat up, right? Giovanni.
I think the luster is like a piece of gold that was moved and then cut open into the middle.
So it was split in more than one part, and they used to be smooth, is what you're saying. Okay? Christian.
I think a luster is a piece of the world's tectonic plates, and when an earthquake happened, a piece of luster came out of the.
So you're thinking it came out of the tectonic plates during an earthquake. Good. That's possible. Ethan?
It's a rock that
Okay, fool's gold because it can fool people into thinking it's real gold. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to the next part. So this is our objective. Before we get into the objective, I want you guys to read the text. Use your little small notepad or piece of paper from the notepad to open your books to page 143. 140 through 143. And you'll write down the words as you read through it that you do not know how to pronounce or you don't know the meaning of. Okay? The page number's up there. use your little lovely note card, please, and go. Even the yellow highlighted words, okay? We'll go, open your book, please. Now that you wrote down your words, let's go ahead and go back and read the text directed by me, okay? So go back to page 140. And then use your ears to listen carefully. If there's any words that you wrote down because you didn't know how to pronounce, listen carefully because I'm going to pronounce everything in a very projectable and clear voice. Okay? What is a mineral? And this was our essential question in the beginning of the lesson, by the way. Okay? What is a mineral? Many common substances found on Earth, such as table salt and the graphite in your pencil, are made up of minerals. Minerals are natural, non-living substances that make up rocks. Okay, I said listen and pay attention. In fact, you could say that minerals are the building blocks of rocks. Some rocks, like granite, are made up of several kinds of minerals. Some made up of several kinds of those minerals are shown on these pages. Other rocks, like marble, are often made up of only one mineral. Rocks are different from each other because they are made up of different kinds of minerals. We're going to pause here. Anybody have any questions on any of the words so far? Daniel. Graphite. So Daniel wants to know what the word graphite is. Take out your science textbook, Jason. Ethan, can you let him know what page number he needs to be on? Where is the word graphite, Daniel? Oh, the second line on the first paragraph. Many common substances found on Earth, such as table salt and the graphite in your pencil. So look at your pencil. I know that we use the word lead for it, but it's actually graphite. The proper name for what you call the lead inside of your pencil is actually graphite. Okay? It's actually called graphite. And as you can tell, some of these minerals, you know how when you're outside on the streets, in the sidewalk, and you get a rock, you can use it as chalkboard to draw on the sidewalk? Well, that's why this is in here. It says many common substances found on Earth, such as table salt and the graphite in your pencil, are made up of minerals. That's because your pencil is made up of those minerals, and we call it graphite. Okay? So, anybody else have any other words that you would like to share? Lucia, did you write down any words? Okay, let me see. Okay, Lucia wrote down a word that we're not there yet, which is cleavage. We'll go ahead and have a discussion when we get there. Okay? Anyone else have another word they would like to share? Emmanuel. Which one? Sodium. Okay, good. That's a good one. Let's see. Where is it, Emmanuel?
I found it on page.
Oh, we're not on that page yet. Okay. So if it's on the second page, we're just not there yet. Any other words from page 140? Fatima, go ahead. Oh, that's the next page over. The page 140, any words? No? Okay, moving on. Page 141. No matter where you go in the world, each type of mineral is made up of the same element or combination of elements. Remember, elements are what make up all matter. The mineral graphite is always made up of the element carbon. Table salt is always made up of sodium and chlorine. Each mineral has its own chemical makeup. Okay? What words are there from this section? Christian. Chlorine. Somebody else had the word chlorine. Who was it? A couple people. Okay. The word chlorine, if we go back and read that sentence, table salt is always made up of sodium and chlorine. What do you think it means, sodium and chlorine? Table salt is always made up of sodium and chlorine.
Salt.
There you go. So salt is made up of those two parts. Chlorine and what else? Sodium. Okay? Chlorine and sodium make up the salt in the salt shaker inside of your kitchen, in your table. Okay? I know it's a weird word, chlorine, because it has the CH in it, but it doesn't have that sound, ch. It's cu, chlorine. Okay? Yeah, the H is silent. Each mineral has its own chemical makeup. What does that mean? Chemical ingredient. Who said the word ingredient? Caleb? Good. Makeup means ingredient. Okay? That's what it means. It doesn't mean makeup like what girls put on their face. Okay? It's ingredient. Okay? Like a natural ingredient. That's what it's made up of. Okay? Anyone else have any other words up until this point that we missed? Evelyn, you have one? Emmanuel? Sodium. Sodium is one of the chemical makeups that form salt. So sodium plus chlorine equals salt. Okay?